that these bolts can be removed in a number of other ways. So here is the absolutely best way to remove two bolts that hold rear brake calipers to the hub. You have to get under the car, get your impact wrench with a sort of a longer extension, a 16mm socket, and this wobble joint extension. So this way you can put the socket onto the bolt like so. So this way you have unobstructed access to these bolts, and there's plenty of room. The socket is on, the wrench is free to be moved around. So that's one bolt. The second bolt is the same, easy to get to. And here's the second bolt. And that's how you do this job. So this deep socket is not exactly a proper socket to use on this job, but an extension, a wobble extension, and a 16mm short socket is all that it takes to remove this bolt. It doesn't have to be an impact wrench. You can have a longer extension and a breaker bore or something. I also wonder why this dust shield is bent like weirdly. I don't think it was me. You have to have a short circuit. Yeah, like I do have a short circuit already with this car. So in a nutshell, we have our, oh, this is so comfortable here. So what you have to do to make your life easier is get a ton of money and buy a car that doesn't need any maintenance. That's probably the best way to go.